Ever wished you could swap your face with a historical figure or create a comical blend of your pets? Today, we're going deep into Leonardo AI to show you how to perform mind-blowing face swaps. First things first, let's navigate to Leonardo AI and select the Image to Image tool. This is where the magic truly begins. You'll need two images: the source image, containing the face you want to transfer, and the target image where you intend to place that face. Upload your source image, which holds the face you wish to utilize, and then proceed to upload your target image. Think of the source as the donor and the target as the recipient. The clarity of these images will directly impact the quality of your final results. Now for the all-important step, the prompt. For a face swap, you'll want to be exceptionally descriptive. Begin by clearly stating your intention to swap faces. Following that, describe the target image. For instance, you might articulate it as a high-resolution photograph of a person with the face from the source image seamlessly integrated into the artistic style of a Renaissance portrait. Be precise regarding the desired style, lighting, and even the specific emotion you aim to achieve. Next, we'll fine-tune the initial strength. This particular slider dictates the degree of influence your prompt and the target image exert when compared to the original source image for a flawless face swap. You'll want to position this value within a moderate range, a circumflex euros. Neither excessively high nor too low. Experimentation in this area is crucial for discovering that ideal balance where the new face integrates naturally. With your prompt and settings meticulously prepared, go ahead and hit generate. Leonardo AI's potent algorithms will then meticulously analyze both images, identify the faces, and endeavor to blend them according to your explicit instructions. This process may take a few moments. As you can observe, we are presented with multiple variations. Examine the results closely. You'll be scrutinizing how effectively the new face merges with the lighting and texture of the target image, and whether the facial features appear convincing. If a particular result isn't precisely what you envisioned, don't be disheartened. You can always refine your prompt, adjust the initial strength, or simply initiate another generation. And there you have it. A convincing and artistically rendered face swap created entirely within the capabilities of Leonardo AI. This unlocks an expansive realm of creative possibilities, ranging from humorous edits to the generation of entirely novel artistic concepts.